Hello YouTube viewers, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sweet Tips, and today what we're going to do is we're going to offer another free 5 troy ounce bar as a free giveaway. The last one that we did went so well, and it was kind of fun to do. So what we'll do is I've outlined some contest rules here. This one will be a little more difficult. And I'll go over those rules at the end of the video. And what we're going to do is try to have some good, clean fun here. Now, if this works out all right and everything goes well, and I get to give the bar away without any controversy or conflict, then we might do another one. What I don't want to do is get people riled up over whatever and create problems and ill will and hurt feelings over this. That's not the intention. That's not what I'm looking for here. So we're looking to have a little fun over the Christmas holiday season by giving away some precious metals and at the same time promoting my YouTube channel. So what I'm going to do is make the bar and then we'll discuss the rules of how you can win the bar at the end of the video. Again, I wanted to get another shot and show where the silver comes from to produce these bars that I make. This is my electrolytic silver cell. It has a anode bar there at the top, and that is clipped to a power supply up here, and it's providing a power source to the electrolytic silver cell. That's impure silver shot in that little anode basket there, and the anode basket is full of impure silver that is being dissolved. As it dissolves, any gold or platinum or other metals that are insoluble get trapped in the silver or in the anode filter there, and then I save those filters and process those filters for the precious metals that they contain. But here's a shot of the pure silver crystal that's growing in my cell, and this crystal is what's been used to make the pure silver bar that I'm featuring in this contest. Here are some of the used anode filters. I collect these and save these. These will have precious metals in them, and then at some point in the future what I'll do is I'll process these and get the precious metals out of them in a future video. I'm going to begin by tearing the scale weight here with the melt dish on it. Got it set for troy ounces. Now I'm going to load the melt dish here up with 5 troy ounces of pure silver crystal. Oh boy, we went way over there. 4.7, 4.8, 4.9, 5, 5.3, 4.6, 5.7. There's 5.95, just like the previous bar. So we got just a little over 5 troy ounces of pure silver crystal in the melt dish. Now we're going to go out to the melt table and melt it up into a nice bar. I went out and bought 2 brand new MAP gas torches, and I've been trying to try this out, so I'm going to try to use MAP gas only to melt the silver. Sometimes when I use the oxyacetylene over here, the silver will absorb oxygen as it's being melted, And then when you pour the bar in the mold, it spits the oxygen back out and forms some bubbles on the surface of the freshly poured bar. So to try to avoid that, I'm going to use 2 MAP gas torches here to do the entire melt. Here we go. Here I'm kind of struggling a little bit to get this silver melted properly. I used to have this down to a science, but it's been several years since I've melted these bars, and so anytime you stop doing something for several years, you're going to lose proficiency. And I realized that I wasn't going to have enough time to use the MAP gas torches to get this melt done, because I only got 5 minutes of video, and in fact I run out of footage before I show the pour. I didn't get to show the actual pour of the metal into that mold because my camera timed out, but the bar came out looking real good here. As you can see, a little bit of the flux came over again with this bar. That pale looking stuff there is just a little bit of borax flux, and I soaked that in a little bit of dilute sulfuric acid and get that off of there before I attempt to stamp it. In this shot here, I'm just stamping 999 fine silver across the top of that pure silver bar. I've sent a sample of my pure silver crystal to a company called Guardian Labs in the United Kingdom, and they came back and certified my silver crystal as 999 fine silver with fire assay. In this section of footage, I'm putting Merry Christmas on the bar, and I get to the point where I'm going to stamp the C for the Christmas, and I stamp it sideways. Here I am in a hurry, and I punch that C out sideways. I'm just going to leave it there and spell Christmas after that C, man. This will be an error bar. Here we go. I'm just going to keep going. Alright, there's that C. Sideways C in the middle of Merry Christmas there. Sorry about that. But at least I got the rest of the words spelled out. I'll just keep going now. I'm going to put the date 2019-1225 for Christmas Day 2019. And then 5 troy ounces right below that. Okay, it's not looking too bad here. 2019-1225 for the date. Merry Christmas. With a C between the two. 5 troy ounces. Now, last but not least, we're going to stamp street tips on there. Alright, here we go. Here's the finished bar. Okay, this is how to win the bar. I've selected 5 videos out of my 172 videos on my channel. And in these 5 videos that I've pre-selected, I've got them written down here, I have identified footages in these videos, and what I'll do is I'll read 5 clues to you. And what I'd like you to do is identify the title of the video that contains the footage of the clue that I'm about to give. And I'd like you to also include the timestamp at which the footage occurs within that video. For example, video number 1, here's the title, and the clue that you gave occurs at 13 minutes and 28 seconds. So I want the title and the timestamp where the footage occurs. And also one more thing, I'd like them in order. So I'm going to give you 5 clues, and I'd like you to put the videos in that order, in the order that I give the clues. And I'll determine the winner by looking at the comment section. I read those all the time, and the first person to come up with the correct 5 videos will be the winner of our 5 troy ounce 999 fine silver Christmas bar. Also, be watching over the next couple weeks. If this goes off well, I'll probably do another one. So be watching my videos, and if you know where these clues are that I give, you'll be able to go right to them, identify the title and the time, and you could win a hand-poured silver bar from Sweet Tips. Okay, here we go. Here's the 5 clues. Okay, clue number 1. Please give me the title, the complete title. I'm not worried about capital letters and all that, but the complete wording of the title of the video and the time stamp where this occurs, where Sweet Tips says it looks like nails. For video number 2, please give me the title of the video, the complete title, and the timestamp where this occurs, where I use ascorbic acid to precipitate gold. For title number 3, please give me the complete title of the video and the timestamp where I use sodium metabisulfite, SMB, dissolved in water. I have a solution of SMB dissolved in water, and I pour that solution into my gold solution to precipitate out the pure gold. Okay, for title number 4, please give me the complete title and the timestamp where this occurs, where I use a glass funnel and I pour a hot liquid into the glass funnel and the funnel breaks. Okay, clue number 5. Please give me the complete title of the video and the timestamp where it occurs, where I say, she came in like a tornado. Okay, you have the criteria of the footage that I'm looking for and the titles of the videos that contain that footage. I'd like them in order with the timestamps in the comment section, and I'll review that over and over again until I get a winner. The first person to give me the correct titles with the timestamp of where the clues occur will be the winner of our 5 troy ounce Christmas bar. Alright, thank you very much. That'll conclude the video.